In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use dependencies in Clickup so you can manage task relationships like a pro. Dependencies help you keep work in the right order. Stick around to level up your task planning. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace for your marketing team. In the Space section, select a space where the task is located that you want to set a dependency for. Double-check that you have permission to edit tasks in this space. Go to the task you want to set a dependency for and click the three dots. This will open more options for managing the task. In the options, choose Dependencies. This feature lets you control how tasks rely on each other. Then you'll see three options: waiting on, blocking, and linked. Each one shows how tasks depend on each other. Just click the option you want and choose a task to link it to. This sets up the relationship based on your project needs. And that's how to use dependencies in Clickup. If this tutorial helped you, like it and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick guides. See you next time!